Now the let set A is equal to what has been given, the set of all lines. Set of all lines is the set. Next we need a relation. R is given. L1 comma L2 of L1 is perpendicular to L2. Here this is the line L1. Okay, line L1 is perpendicular to line L2, means here is the line L2. This is line L2. This is line L1. This is line L2. These two are perpendicular. Okay, next come to the first reflexive. First one, reflexive. A comma A belongs to R. The condition is A comma A belongs to R. That means here L1 is perpendicular to L1. It is impossible because any line itself it is not perpendicular. L1 is not perpendicular itself. L1 is not perpendicular to itself because A comma A belongs to R. Therefore L1 comma L1 is not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Then second one, symmetric. In a symmetric condition, A comma B belongs to R, B comma A belongs to R. Okay, now L1 is perpendicular to L2. At the same time, L2 is perpendicular to L1. Therefore, L1 comma L2 belongs to R, and L2 comma L1 belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Then third one, transitive. Here the condition A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, then implies A comma C belongs to R. Now here T1 is perpendicular to T2 belongs to R. Okay, T1 T2 belongs to R. Here next T2 perpendicular to T3. T1 perpendicular to T2 belongs to R. T2 perpendicular to T3 belongs to R. Here L1, L2, L3. this is L1, L2, L3. Now L1 is perpendicular to L2. Okay, L2 is perpendicular to L3. This is, but L1 and L3 are not attached, not perpendicular. Therefore L1 is not perpendicular to L3. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Here in the condition of perpendicular, never reflexive, never transitive, but it is symmetric. In a parallel condition, a reflexive is R is reflexive, R is symmetric, or R is transitive in a parallel condition. But in perpendicular condition, the symmetric only, uh, R is symmetric only, not reflexive, not transitive.